A laser level is a versatile tool that simplifies and enhances precision in various construction and DIY projects. It utilizes laser technology to project a visible beam onto a surface, creating a level or plumb reference line. With its compact and portable design, a laser level provides accurate measurements and alignment over extended distances. Equipped with leveling mechanisms, laser levels ensure precise horizontal or vertical alignment, making them indispensable for tasks such as installing shelves, cabinets, and tiles. They eliminate the need for traditional bubble levels and the manual adjustments associated with them. Laser levels come in different types, including line laser levels that project straight lines and rotary laser levels that emit 360-degree lines for larger-scale projects. The high visibility of laser beams allows for easy reference, even in bright or dim lighting conditions. Some laser levels feature additional functionalities like slope adjustments, pulse mode for outdoor use with a receiver, and self-leveling capabilities. With their accuracy, efficiency, and time-saving nature, laser levels have become an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, ensuring precise and professional results in construction and home improvement endeavors. Hi my friends! Join my channel for an exhilarating exploration of laser levels. Subscribe now for an exciting journey as we discover the wonders of these exceptional devices together. DEGLASERS, an exceptional brand, has secured the 5th position in our rankings after a thorough evaluation. Their laser level is equipped with a bright and clear green laser beam that remains visible up to 100 feet away, offering a high accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. It produces a vibrant cross-line laser, consisting of a vertical and horizontal line when placed 13 millimeters from the ground and 7 millimeters from the wall. This versatile tool is ideal for tasks such as tile paving, carpentry work for doors, windows, and furniture, as well as wallpaper hanging. One of its standout features is the pulse mode technology, which enables the laser level to be used even in unfavorable lighting conditions. By pressing the button, the pulse mode activates, providing 3 brightness settings. Additionally, the product offers manual or automatic mode through a switch on the side of the body. The DEGLASERS laser level utilizes a bright osram green laser beam, 3 times brighter than red lasers, and provides 3 green laser brightness options to suit different environments. Powered by 2 AA batteries, the self-leveling laser level ensures up to 5 hours of continuous operation, offering convenience and efficiency. It facilitates precise positioning for hanging pictures, installing doors and windows, and laying stairs and floor tiles. The device is compatible with a 1/4 mount thread, allowing attachment to tripods or other mounting bases for convenient positioning. Moreover, the included magnetic L-shaped bracket affixes securely to most metal surfaces and supports 360-degree rotation to project laser lines from any angle. The laser level is also designed with TPR soft rubber for enhanced durability, making it resistant to wear, drops, and shocks. APEXFORGE has rightfully secured its position as the 4th-ranked laser level on our prestigious list. This exceptional tool features 1 360 degrees horizontal and 2 360 degrees vertical planes, allowing users to cover the floor, wall, and ceiling all around the room. With 5 projection modes, the laser lines can be projected separately or together, catering to a wide range of leveling and alignment applications. The APEXFORGE laser level utilizes bright green beams that offer up to 2 times better visibility than red beams, ensuring clear and easily visible reference lines. It boasts a high-capacity 5,200 mAh battery, providing an impressive work time of up to 24 hours. The laser level can be powered by the battery or directly plugged into a power source, allowing for uninterrupted use even during charging. In self-leveling mode, equipped with a smart pendulum system, the laser level automatically levels itself on inclined surfaces within a 4 degrees range. When the surface inclines over 4 degrees, the laser will flash to indicate that it is out of level. In manual mode, the pendulum can be locked, allowing the laser lines to be fixed at any angle for versatile applications. The APEXFORGE laser level comes with a 360 degrees magnetic bracket, enabling it to be easily fixed on metal tracks, steel surfaces, or hung on nails or screws for wood and cement walls. It also features a 1/4" 20 and 5/8/11 multifunction back clip for clipping onto objects or providing an auxiliary steel sheet for the magnetic bracket. The laser level is designed with TPR soft rubber and is IP54 rated, ensuring durability and adaptability to various working environments. Elikliv has confidently secured the impressive third spot on our prestigious list, establishing itself as a strong contender in the realm of laser levels. One of the standout features of this exceptional tool is its beam orientation option, with the Elikliv 4D 16-line green laser level offering up to 4 orientation planes. It consists of 2 vertical dual-beam lasers and 2 dual-beam horizontal lasers, allowing it to cover a 4-dimensional space seamlessly. Furthermore, it provides 360 degrees support for both planes, facilitating comprehensive and accurate measurements. The laser level offers 2 categories, auto-leveling and manual or tilt. In the auto-leveling mode, an internal mechanism ensures that the projected lines are perfectly horizontal or vertical within ±3 degrees. On the other hand, the manual or tilt mode allows users to direct the line at any angle to suit their specific needs. The tilt mode can be particularly advantageous for certain tasks, and the presence of an off-alignment alarm enables measurement without hindrances. To enhance visibility in long-distance or bright sunlight conditions, the laser level includes a laser target plate that increases the visibility of the green laser lines or dots by 1.3 times. Additionally, complementary green glasses are provided to improve green laser visibility and protect the user's eyes from direct laser contact. The 4D green beam self-leveling laser level by Elikliv is not only handy but also built to withstand the rigors of site work, making it perfect for professional applications. Its durability ensures longevity, alleviating concerns about frequent replacements, a crucial feature for demanding jobs. Overall, Elikliv's laser level offers exceptional functionality, reliability, and improved visibility, making it an invaluable tool for a wide range of professional tasks. Semlos, a highly esteemed and renowned brand, has rightfully secured an impressive second position on our prestigious top list. The Semlos cross-line laser level stands out with its adoption of the latest advanced high-brightness green laser chip, providing superior brightness compared to red laser levels in the same external environment. This ensures high visibility and continuous light, whether in daylight or at night, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor leveling projects. The Semlos laser level offers 2 leveling modes. In self-leveling mode, the leveler automatically adjusts itself when tilted to less than 3 degrees, while the laser flashes to indicate adjustments are needed if the tilt exceeds 3 degrees. By pressing the power switch for 3 seconds, the manual leveling mode is activated, allowing the laser to be locked at any angle for versatile use. The leveler provides 3 different brightness levels, 100%, 80%, and 65%, to accommodate various working conditions, and the power switch allows for easy adjustment. With 2 AA batteries, the laser level offers a working time of up to 8 hours, and the batteries can be replaced at any time for convenience. Included with the Semlos laser level is an L-shaped magnetic wall bracket that enables easy and stable mounting on steel surfaces. The bracket also features screw mounting holes for nailing to wood or walls. Additionally, the leveler has a tripod connector with a 1/4 female thread, facilitating quick and secure attachment to a tripod. The soft carrying bag included ensures the protection and organization of all accessories, making it easy to transport the laser level anywhere. Overall, the Semlos laser level excels in brightness, versatility, and convenience, making it an exceptional tool for a wide range of leveling projects, both indoors and outdoors. OMMO, proudly standing at the top of our list, has unquestionably secured its position with unparalleled excellence. Their green laser level incorporates upgraded diode and chip technology, resulting in bright, clear, and focused green laser lines. It offers impressive visibility of up to 150 feet, surpassing traditional line drawing methods in accuracy and reliability. Moreover, it leaves no marks on furniture or walls, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor decoration projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional worker, this line laser level will undoubtedly make your job easier and more convenient. The OMMO laser level features a self-leveling mode, activated by turning the button on the side to the unlocking position. In this mode, it projects bright, high-accuracy horizontal and vertical lines on any flat surface within 3 degrees of horizontal or vertical. If the level is not within this range, the laser will flash and beep as a warning. The alarm will persist until the laser is placed on a level surface. Switching the button on the side to the locking position and holding down the first button on the top for 3 seconds activates the manual mode. In this mode, the pendulum locks into position, allowing you to project tilt lines at any angle without triggering the alarm. This feature makes the laser level suitable for users with varying levels of DIY experience. The OMMO laser level comes with an L magnetic pivoting base and threaded conversion hole. The strong magnetic bracket enables attachment to metal surfaces on the wall, and the laser tool can be rotated to the desired angle. It can also be used with a floor tripod, providing versatility and portability for installation in various environments. With its lightweight and palm-sized design, the OMMO laser level is perfect for a wide range of applications, including home decorating, hanging murals, laying floors, painting, and more. Its exceptional performance and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. We highly value your feedback on laser levels. Your active participation and thoughts are greatly appreciated as they contribute to our continuous improvement. Thank you for your invaluable support.